Get ready for a wild ride through Philly's artistic history. The story of a sculpture that left the city baffled and intrigued is about to unfold. In the 1960s, Philadelphia witnessed the arrival of an enigmatic sculpture, a precursor to the iconic love sculpture we know today. This abstract piece, titled Three-Way Piece by the renowned British sculptor Henry Moore, sparked a whirlwind of interpretations and debates. Imagine a 7-foot hollow bronze sculpture perched on a black granite base. Its form was open to interpretation, with suggestions ranging from birds to a damaged ship and even toothaches. One businessman, in a cryptic statement, hinted at a deeper meaning. That's what the next generation is going to look like. But here's where it gets controversial. What did he truly mean? Abstract art often leaves room for personal interpretation, and Philadelphia embraced this freedom. An Inquirer reporter described it as an exercise in satisfying form without representing anything in particular. It was a blank canvas for the city's imagination. The sculpture's journey began in 1964, and by 1967, it found its temporary home at John F. Kennedy Plaza, now Love Park. The Fairmount Park Art Association, a private group responsible for many of the city's sculptures, purchased it. The director of the Museum of Art, where it was initially displayed, explained its relocation to the plaza as a contrast to the vertical lines of the nearby buildings. But the story doesn't end there. In 1976, Robert Indiana's Love sculpture took center stage as part of the U.S. bicentennial celebration. Informally, the plaza became known as Love Park, but the name only became official in 2016 following a major renovation. And this is the part most people miss. Point A, the three-way piece. Sculpture didn't disappear. It was moved to the Benjamin Franklin Parkway in the 1990s, where it continues to captivate and confuse onlookers to this day. A true testament to the power of art and its ability to spark conversation and imagination. So, what do you think? Is abstract art a beautiful mystery or a confusing enigma? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss.